2 cans Ready Whip, 1 and 2 eggs. Now we're just gonna add in a large quantity of sprinkles here, as much or as little as you like, and you can use whatever kind or colors you prefer. You can put other add-ins here, like marshmallows or candies. We're making a super sweet treat today. Now I'm coming in with 1 box of super moist vanilla cake mix. Woo. And we are just gonna add this entire box here, and let's start getting this mixed up. As I said, we're making a super easy sweet treat today. I think this is something everyone's gonna love. It's really, really tasty. That whipped cream brings out just another dimension of flavor and a richness that you don't necessarily get when you use other ingredients. And it's just so fun to make, easy to do in your air fryer. So this is perfect if you don't have an oven, if you're living in a dorm, or wherever else you might be kind of like, well, we're about to do some construction on our house, so we're gonna be using the air fryer for a lot of things because unfortunately the construction will be in our kitchen, but it's also an exciting time. And these air fryers are so convenient now, and they just work for so many things. You almost don't need an oven anymore if you have an air fryer. All right, speaking of, I am about to pop this into my air fryer here. We are going to turn our temperature down to 350 degrees. Oops, there we go. And then for our time, we're gonna start with 20 minutes, and then I'll show you what we're doing next. Okay, it's actually been 10 minutes, and we're pulling it out to check on it. Now look at it, it almost looks like it's fully cooked on the top here. But what we wanna do, because the air fryer cooks in a different way, and I'm gonna turn this and grab the handle here. We wanna give this another mix and bring parts from the bottom to the top and vice versa. So it is starting to cook. It's cooking down in that bottom layer that's touching, but also the top was cooking, and we need this to fully incorporate and move around so that the whole thing will cook. So it's only been 10 minutes so far. We're gonna put this in for another 10 minutes, and then we should have a delicious, delicious treat. Alrighty guys, we let it cook for 30 minutes total, and it's a little like done, as you can see on the top, but do not worry about that at all. I've got this really fun yellow Peeps frosting that I had left over, and I am just gonna go ahead, and I didn't even heat it up because it's just so easy to spread it because the cake is hot. You can just go ahead and spread your frosting, and it spreads so easily on top of that hot cake. Now you could use one of those air fryer liners in here if you wanted to pop this out, but we are just gonna serve it straight out of our air fryer. Look at how pretty this yellow is. That is so fun and different. I love it. And I just bought it right at the end of Easter because I saw it and I didn't get the chance to use it, but I'm glad we're using it now, making the most out of it. Awesome. And we've got a few more of our sprinkles that we put inside. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on top. Fun! So pretty. All right, the only thing left to do is to cut myself a delicious, delicious heaping piece. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. That looks incredible. I cannot wait to taste this, you guys. We've got all that frosting on there. We've got sprinkles inside and on top. Okay, this is delicious. You guys, So easy, so good. You gotta try it.